Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Veeam Backup and Replication for VM level recovery. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.veeam.com and press enter. Once the Veeam website loads, navigate to the Products menu. From the drop-down options, select Backup and Replication. On the Backup and Replication page, scroll down until you find the Download button. Click on the Download button to proceed to the Download section. You will be redirected to a new page displaying the various versions available. Locate the version that best suits your needs, usually indicated as the latest release. Click on the corresponding Download button next to that version. You may be prompted to fill out a registration form. Enter the required information, including your name, email, and organization. After filling out the form, click on the Download button at the bottom. The download will begin shortly, depending on your internet speed. Once the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to initiate the installation process. If prompted by your operating system, allow the installer to run. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Setup wizard. Accept the license agreement by checking the box and clicking Next. Choose the installation type that fits your requirements, typically typical. Select the destination folder where you want to install the software or use the default location. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, you will see a confirmation screen indicating success. Click Finish to exit the Setup wizard. Now, launch Veeam Backup and Replication from your desktop or Start menu. You can begin configuring your VM level recovery settings. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Ensure your backup jobs are set correctly for optimal performance. You are now ready to utilize Veeam Backup and Replication for VM level recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.